Are you spending tons of money on plant-based milk that's full of all kinds of preservatives and stuff? Keep watching and I'm going to unbox this beauty, which might help you out. Hello everyone, today I am not in the garden. I am here unboxing this that I got for my birthday. I have been wanting one of these for a long time. This is a Soyabella automatic soy milk maker and coffee grinder from Tribest. And I mostly want this for making things like almond milk and oat milk and so forth. And today I'm going to unbox and show you what's inside. And here we go. It's in a fancy box with this little plastic hand holder thingy. And here's what it looks like in the top of the box. We have some little these things. Here's the lid. And then the machine itself looks like it comes wrapped in plastic. And then we've got a book, a cord, and this thing. Alright, first I'm going to open this operation manual. We've got a book, a sponge, and a toothbrush. Alright, so this is the milk screen. This is the grinding cup. We've got a measuring cup, the lid, and then this is a little kit that you can make tofu with. Alright, so I'm going to take this out of the wrapper. It's pretty, nice and shiny. On the top here it says milk paste / off. So I'll have to read the directions to find out what that means. And let me see if I can figure out how to... Oh, okay. There's how you take the top off. Oh, okay, so this is a milk screen for rice milk. It says, it's like engraved on the metal, rice milk. And then this one says soybean milk. So, and the screens, this one's a bigger screen than this one. And I'm not sure how you get it off, but this, I'll have to read the directions. On here it says closed this way, open that way. So I'm gonna grab onto this thing on the bottom here and twist. And it comes off and you can see here's the grinding blade you could put on there. And then this is the coffee grinder attachment, which can go on there. So here's what the inside looks like. There's this thing, and that thing is the utility cup. I don't know what it does, but anyway, that's what you get in the box. If you have one of these, I would love to know what you use it for and what you think of it. This one, I searched around a little bit, and this one came pretty highly recommended by several people, so I'm gonna give this one a try, but I would love to know how you do with yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.